Okay, so a fun and easy costume is a scarecrow. So I put some of this stuff on just to look kind of like a scarecrow, and that's a good start. So the scarecrow has been hanging on a pole out, and he's made out of burlap. And so we want to make his skin kind of look, or his or her, it doesn't really matter, kind of tan and straw burlap. So I'm going to just darken my skin just a little bit, and then add a little blush, because this is, you want it to stand out. You know, if you're at nighttime at a party or on stage. And he's kind of a happy character, and it makes sense. He would have rosy cheeks, been out in the sun too, no sunscreen. So one of the key things I like to do for the scarecrow is to make the nose really stand out. That's kind of how they did in the movies. And you just the nose. And I'm assuming it's based on, you know, if someone was making a scarecrow and they had the burlap sack for the head, and then they use a turnip or I don't know what to stick a nose on, maybe a potato. Okay, so now I like to outline the eyes to make them kind of round, because he's a good guy and he's innocent and doesn't have a lot of brains in his head. Straw. So. And of course, eyelining your eyes for the stage really makes people can see in the seats far away, your expression in your eyes stand out more. And think about if you were drawing a face on a big sack for a scarecrow, you would draw eyes, you draw a nose. Kind of like a cartoon. Highlight the nose a little bit more with the darker color, blend it in a little bit. Now the eyebrows, I'm gonna make him sort of happy and sort of surprised, like, wow, where are we going? What's going on, Dorothy? So I like to do my eyebrows up. See what a difference that makes? It's a good way to define a character through the eyebrow shape. You know, whether you have no eyebrows or big thick ones. And if you were a bad guy, you might want to draw them this way, like, ho ho. And I'm even going to accentuate some like fake eyelashes, because once again, if you were drawing a face on somebody, whether it's a boy or girl or something, you would give it a little eyelashes, and it makes it stand out more. So I'm just going to draw it almost like a cartoon. And I like to throw in a little line that is maybe for when you were sewing the burlap sack together, there's a stitch in it, so. And that's basically it. It's pretty simple. You can go more with it if you want, and you can do less, but I think it looks like a scarecrow. And then when you add a straw hat. All right, Dorothy, ready to go. Let's go find that yellow brick road.
The only thing in the world I'm afraid of is a lighted match.
Now, which way is the way to Oz?
Oh, I know. It's this way.
Oh, what?
Wait, no, it's this way.
Oh,
yeah.
Goodness. You're not going to be much help, are you?
Oh, I told you I have no brains.
Hey! This way! Follow me! You better listen up and do it my way. I said stay on the yellow brick highway. You may find you're gonna lighten your load if you stay on the road.